Alright, I'm going to do a count and go over every fish I caught. I kept track of every single one. Bluegill, sunfish, perch, yeah, even the little stuff. Everything. See, like 3 bookies, and I just, all the fish. So I'll give you guys the totals of each species, and then just the grand total of my 2025 catches. Ice fishing, open water, and ice fishing, and let you know what it is. Okay, I just finished up rounding after hours. I did the majority of the game fish species. I skipped some that I got very low numbers of. Right now is perfect time to pause. Check these out. Most was 162 bluegill. 545 was the 2025 fish total. I'm making that my goal to beat, and if you don't believe me, go check out my fish brine, which is linked in the description of my channel, or just go watch my fishing videos, because all 545 are on there.